Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited either page before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here, what we are hoping to be is the final day of our project in North Kansas City. We are in the process of finishing up applying our white waterproofing paint to the newly mortared walls down here in the basement. So yeah, this is the day that we have been working towards since the beginning of last month. What started out as simply rebuilding the front and back cinder block walls turned into a block foundation renovation project, and you can see the massive transformation that we've been able to provide to the homeowners down here in this basement. So everything turned out great. Highly recommend going back and looking at that earlier that first week of videos. You can see the state that the cinder block walls were in, and just every step of the way we've documented transforming this basement into what you see right here. So we have just a little bit more painting to do before we get finished up. Then we'll take care of the last little bit of outside work, and then it's just clean up, and we are going to be finished out here. So for all your foundation and piering needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget to check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.